What are the main characteristics of Constitution of Pakistan, which is governing Pakistan?
The Constitution of 1973 has a bicameral system, and it has structured Pakistan as a federal system in which there is the 4 provinces and the center. The Constitution has the Prime Minister is the head of the government, and the President is the head of the state.